The number of monkeypox cases across the U.S. has exceeded 10,000, according to data released by a federal public health agency this week. Confirmed cases has been reported in every U.S. state and the District of Columbia, while more than a dozen states, as well as the capital city, have seen at least 100 infections. The highest numbers are in the states of New York, California, and Florida. No related deaths have been reported so far. Monkeypox is a rare disease caused by infection with the monkeypox virus. The symptoms are similar to those of smallpox, but milder. Last week, the U.S. government declared the ongoing spread of the monkeypox virus a public health emergency, a step to open up more resources in response to the disease. Vaccines for monkeypox are available but have been short supply in the U.S., partly due to a manufacturing bottleneck. Public health experts criticize that the U.S. response at various levels have been slow and inadequate as the number of monkeypox cases continues to grow. Besides, much like COVID-19, monkeypox has hit Americans' minorities hard, with several groups reportedly far lagging in vaccination rates.